Hi, in front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you wake up the screen on our watch, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll all the way down and tap on the settings icon. And in settings, find the option called Restart and tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And after a couple of seconds, our watch will reboot. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.